This is the Ascender 9 high-altitude V airship. It's floating about 8 feet off the ground in the hangar. Our next airship, the Ellipse, is nearly complete. It's much smaller than the Ascender 9. The Ellipse is a test bed for structural components. The airship after that, the Ellipse 2, is being designed. It will be slightly larger than the Ascender 9. Also, the Ellipse 2 has an elliptical wing cross-section and will be driven by a plasma rocket engine. The airship after that doesn't have a name yet, but it will be 300 feet long, fly at the edge of space, and have a crew of 2. JP Aerospace, America's other space program.